Hello student, welcome to the Mighting, the India's first ever e-learning education platform where each and every topic will be taught with what, why and how concept. After discussing atomic structure, now we discuss about some basic concept of chemistry or mole concept. So before starting this topic, first we classify chapter in a subtopic. Some basic concept of chemistry or mole concept, and in this topic we discuss topic first introduction, number 2 concentration unit, number 3 different law of chemical combination, fourth empirical and molecular formula, fifth vapor density, sixth idiometry. So these are topic which we discuss in chapter. So first topic we discuss about introduction of mole. So before starting introduction of mole, we want to discuss what is mole, why we discuss about mole, and how mole is related our daily to daily life. So first, what is mole? Basically, mole is SI unit, and these unit used for calculate amount of substance. So we have substance in weight form, in volume form, and in number form. By the help of these three forms, we calculate in mole form. So mole is a types of SI unit. Next, why we discuss about mole? Because mole is fundamental basis of physical chemistry. In physical chemistry, we calculate amount of substance in form of mole. That's why we discuss about mole. How mole is related our day-to-day life. In our daily life, mole does not directly relate, but we calculate mole in each substance. Like we have 1 kg sugar, we calculate in form of mole. We have 2 liter of O2 at NTP condition, we calculate in form of mole. If we have substance in mole form, then we calculate in convert weight form. So these are some examples by which we relate mole in our daily life. So first in introduction we discuss about AMU or atomic mass unit. So what is the meaning of AMU or atomic mass unit? Basically 1 AMU is 1/12th mass of 1 C12 atom. These represent 1 AMU. Now, if we calculate 1/12th mass of one atom, then this measurement is 1.66 in 10 ki power minus 24 gram, or we write 1.66 in 10 ki power minus 27 kg. Sometimes it also represents that 1 AMU is equivalent to 1 upon Na or Avogadro constant, because we know that Na has 6.02 in 10 ki power 23, or if we solve 1 upon 6.02 in 10 ki power minus 23 on solving 0.166 in 10 ki power minus 23, or we write 1.66 in 10 ki power minus 24 gram. So you also represent that 1 mu is equivalent to 1 upon Na. And one easy method for remembering 1 mu value is, this value is approximation equal to mass of 1 proton or neutron, because we know that mass of proton is approx equal to mass of neutron, and this value is 1.67 in 10 ki power minus 24 gram. So we write that approximation 1 mu value is equivalent to mass of 1 proton and neutron. Now, first, that why we select C12 atom for 1 mu? Because C12 atom has maximum abundance in nature, as well as these mass have an integral form. That's why we use C12 atom for define 1 mu. Next, we discuss about relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass. Basically, these mass indicate it represent mass of single atom. Like we have example, relative atomic mass of helium atom is 4 mu. So it represents that 4 into 1.66 in 10 ki power minus 24 gram, or we write that helium have 4 into 1 by 12th mass of 1 C12 atom, or we also write 4 divided by Na gram. So basically it represents that helium nucleus is 4 times heavier than 1 by 12th mass of 1 C12 atom. That's why we define helium mass with respect to mu. So we write relative atomic mass. Similar, one more example. Relative atomic mass of oxygen atom. So we write 16 mu, or it indicates 16 into 1.66 10 ki power minus 24 gram, or we write 16 divided by Na gram, or we write 16 into 1 by 12th mass of 1 C12 atom. So we say that mass of one oxygen atom is 16 times heavier than 1 by 12th mass of 1 C12 atom. So these mass also calculate with respect to mu. That's why we write relative atomic mass. Next, third term we discuss about relative gram atomic mass, or in short form we also write GAM, gram atomic mass. What is the meaning of gram atomic mass? We already say that relative atomic mass is represent mass of single atom, but in case of gram atomic mass it represent mass of 1 mole atom. So we write that it represent mass of 1 mole atom. So first we know that what is the meaning of 1 mole? 1 mole basically indicate 1 mole atom indicate any atom, or 6.02 into 10 ki power 23 atom. If we have quantity 6.02 into 10 ki power 23, that indicate we have 1 mole entity. So if we say that if we have 1 mole atom, then it indicates 6.02 10 to the power 23 atom. Now, we have one example. We know that mass of one He atom or relative atomic mass of helium, which is 4 AMU, and we also write 4 divided by any gram. Now, if you write that mass of 1 mole helium atom, so we calculate mass of single atom, and now we calculate mass of 1 mole or any atom. 1 mole or any atom. Then we write that 4 divided by any gram and multiply by any. So this value cancel out and this value is 4 gram. So important thing that mass of 1 helium atom is 4 AMU, but mass of 1 mole helium atom is 4 gram. So we replace AMU unit by gram. So one more definition is representation of atomic mass in term of gram known as gram atomic mass. Now we discuss some atomic mass of element. Their relative atomic mass and their gram atomic mass. We have example like we discussed about hydrogen have atomic mass 1 AMU. Sometimes it also write 1 Dalton or sometimes it also write 1 U. These all have same meaning, 1 AMU, 1 Dalton, 1 U. But in case of gram atomic mass, we represent by 1 gram. Similar, if you have oxygen, then these mass have 16 AMU, but here we represent 16 gram. Similar, if you have nitrogen, then it represented by 14 AMU, but here we represent by 14 gram. Fourth, calcium have 40 AMU, and here is 40 gram. Fifth, phosphorus 31 AMU and 31 gram. 6. Sodium have 23 AMU mass and here is 23 gram. 7th, magnesium have 24 AMU but here is 24 gram. Similar, sulfur have 32 AMU, here is 32 gram. Similar, aluminium is 27 AMU and 27 gram. Similar, copper 63.5 AMU and here is 63.5 gram. Similar, we have silver have weight 108 AMU and here is 108 gram. So these are atomic mass and gram atomic mass of some element. Next we discuss fourth term, relative molecular mass. Relative molecular mass. So what is the meaning of relative molecular mass? We compare molecular mass with atomic mass. Basically relative atomic mass for atom, but relative molecular mass for molecule. Relative atomic mass is mass of one atom and relative molecular mass is mass of one molecule. So these term especially for molecule. So we write that it represent mass of one molecule. We have example, mass of one O2 molecule, and we write atomic mass of oxygen is 16, so we write 16 into 2 or 32 AMU. We also represent 32 into 1.66 10 power minus 24 gram, or we write 32 divided by any gram, or we also write 32 into 1/12th mass of 1 C12 atom. So it indicates that O2 molecule is 32 times heavier than 1/12th mass of 1 C12 atom. Similarly, discuss one more example. Mass of 1 N2 molecule. So we write that nitrogen have atom mass 14. So 14 into 2, or by 28 AMU, or we write that 28 into 1.66 10 power minus 24 gram. 28 divided by any gram, or 28 into 1/12th mass of 1 C12 atom. So these are relative molecular mass which is specially defined for single molecule. Next we discuss fifth term, relative gram molecular mass, or we write that GMM, gram molecular mass. So what is the meaning of relative gram molecular mass? It represents mass of one mole molecule. We have example like, we know that mass of single O2 molecule, then we represent by 32 mu, or we write 32 divided by any gram. Now we write that mass of 1 mole O2 molecule, and we know that in 1 mole we have any molecule of O2. So 32 divided by any gram, and we multiply by any, so these will cancel out and it will become 32 gram. So one more definition, representation of relative molecular mass in gram unit known as gram molecular mass, or GMM. Next we discuss relative molecular mass and relative molecular mass and gram molecular mass, which represent in gram. Like we have example, O2 relative molecular mass is 32 AMU, but gram molecular mass is 32 gram. Similar, if you have N2, then 28 AMU and it is 28 gram. Similar, if you have chlorine Cl2, then it has 71 AMU and it has 71 gram. Next, sixth we discuss about relative average gram atomic mass. Next, average gram atomic mass calculate on the basis of natural isotope of element. We have example like chlorine have two isotopes, Cl 17Cl35 and 17Cl37, and their percentage in nature is 75% and 25%. So if we calculate average gram atom mass, then we have formula A1x1 plus A2x2 plus A3x3 plus divided by x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus. So these are the important formula for calculating average gram atom mass. So on put value, average atom mass of chlorine, A1 is mass number, so 35 and percentage is 75. Next 37 and percentage 25 and 100. On solving this value, we have gram atom mass of chlorine is 35.5 gram. So these are the method by which we calculate average gram atom mass of element. Next we discuss one question. Boron exists in two isotopic form, 5B10 and 5B11. If average gram atomic mass of boron is 10.4 gram, then calculate percentage of both isotope. So how we calculate? We know that for calculating average gram atom mass, we have formula A average is A1 x1 plus A2 x2 and divided by x1 plus x2. We have average gram atom mass is 10.4 gram. 10 x1 plus 11 x2 and divided by x1 plus x2, or we write that 10.4 x1 plus 10.4 x2 is equivalent to 10 x1 plus 11 x2, or we write 0.4 x1 is equivalent to 0.6 x2, or fraction is x1 upon x2 is 6 by 4 or 3 by 2. So if you want to calculate percentage of x1, then x1 upon x1 plus x2 into 100. On put value, x1 is 3 divided by 5 into 100, so it becomes 60%. Similar, if we calculate percentage of x2, which is 100 minus x1, so 100 minus 60, it becomes 40%, or we also calculate percentage of x2 by x2 divided by x1 plus x2 into 100. On put value, x2 is 2 divided by 5 into 100. On solving, we have 40%. So 5B10 x1 we consider 5B10. So 5B10 isotope is 60% and 5B11 isotope have 40% in nature. Next we discuss about mole, and we already said that mole represent in three form: weight form, volume form and gas form. So first we discuss about a weight form of mole. We already discussed that mass of 1 mole atom basically is equivalent to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atom, and these atom have mass equivalent to gram atom mass, which represent in gram. Similar, if you write mass of 1 mole molecule, then it also represent 6.02 into 10 ki power 23 molecule, and these molecule have mass, gram molecular mass, which represent in gram. Similar, if you have mass of 1 mole compound, it means it have 6.02 into 10 ki power 23 molecule of compound, and it represented by gram formula mass, and it also in gram unit. So these form we already discussed in gram atomic mass and in gram molecular mass. Now we have example. Calculate mole in 96 gram magnesium atom. So how we calculate? We calculate by, we know that 1 mole of magnesium atom have mass 24 gram, which is their gram atomic mass. So by the help of unitary method, we write that 24 gram weight have 1 mole of magnesium. So 1 gram weight have 1 by 24 mole, and we know that 96 gram weight have, then we write 1 by 24 into 96, and it gives 4 times or 4 mole. So if we derive formula, then we have formula mole is equivalent to given weight of substance. In substance we include atom, molecule as well as compound, ion, and divide by their gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass or gram formula mass. Then we calculate mole. Now we discuss some example. Calculate mole in following: A, 46 gram sodium atom, B, 128 gram O2 molecule, C, 88 gram CO2, D, 10 kg CaCO3. Now we solve that. Now we calculate first A. If we calculate mole, then first weight of given substance, and substance is atom. So we write 46, and we know that gram atomic mass of sodium is 23. So these will cancel out and 2 mole. Next B. In B, given that 128 gram of O2, and we know that O2 is a molecule. So given weight of substance is 128, and substance O2 have 32, and these value cancel out by 4 times. So they are 4 mole. C, 88 gram CO2. So if we calculate mole, so first 88, and we know that CO2 have gram molecular mass or gram formula mass is 44. So it have presence of 2 mole. Next D, 10 kg calcium carbonate. So one thing is important, that during apply this formula we use similar unit. These are 10 kg. So first it convert into 10 into 1000 gram. So we write 10 into 1000 gram, and molecular mass or gram formula mass of calcium carbonate is 100. So these will cancel out, and answer is 100 mole.